Now children, today let's start with chapter number 10, electric current and its effect. So let's study about the electric circuit now. You have learned in the previous class why electric current is such an important part of our life. ये सबसे एक useful form of energy है. Electrical energy can be transformed into several other forms of energy. Electric circuit, simplest form of ये क्या है electric circuit? It is the simplest source of electric current. It flows through a conducting material when they are well connected. इसको हम इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट कहते हैं. द करंट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल एंड पासेस थ्रू द इक्विपमेंट which are connected to the negative terminal of the cell and goes to negative terminal. Right? There is no breaks in the between. So a circuit with no breaks is called closed current. और जहाँ पे break होता है उसको open current कहते हैं. Right? So the electric circuit are therefore drawn by representing commonly used electric components with their symbols. Right? Let's study about the different components. First is fan. ये एक इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंसेस है that contains motors that rotates when the current is provided. Cell, longer line represent the positive terminal, thicker and shorter one जो किसको represent करती है? Negative terminal. बैटरी कॉम्बिनेशन है 2 और more cell का. स्विच ये कंट्रोल करता है to open or close circuit. Right? Electric bulb, appliance containing filament जो glow करता है when the current is provided. Wire represented by a straight line provides medium for the flow of current in a circuit. Right? Here the activities given make a following electric circuit using above symbol. Closed circuit with electric bulb, battery of the 2 cell. Open circuit आपको 2 bulb लेने. Right? Now circuit diagram. This is the circuit. This is closed and this is open. अगर closed होगा तो जो bulb होगा वो glow करेगा. अगर open होगा the bulb will not be glow. A diagram which shows arrangement of various electric components, electric circuit with the help of their symbol. उसको हम circuit diagram कहते हैं. A electric circuit consisting of a cell, a bulb or a closed switch, it is represented by drawing a circuit diagram. Similarly, we can draw a open circuit which consists of an open switch, bulb, cell and containing wires. Electric battery की अगर हम बात करें, it's a combination of 2 or more cells in an electric battery. It can be connected in series of parallel. Battery in which cells are connected, it is a kind of battery. Cells are connected in such a way that negative terminal of one cell is connected to the positive terminal of the next cell. Right? Now battery in which cells are connected, when you connect cells in parallel, the negative terminals of all the cells are connected together. और किसकी हेल्प से? वायर की positive terminal of the cells are also connected together and you can use cell cooler over it. What are the effects? We have 3 effects: heating effect, magnetic effect or chemical effect. First is heating effect. All the material oppose the flow of current through them. Degree of which a material opposes flow of current through itself, इसको हम resistant कहते हैं. And when an electric current is passed through a high resisting wire, जो wire है वो hot हो जाता है and what it produce? Heat. इसको हम heating effect of electric current कहते हैं. Then we have applications of heating effect. The heating effect of electric current has many applications in our everyday life. First is bulb. So a bulb contains thin coiled wire called filament. It is made up of tungsten material. On the passage of electric current, tungsten filament of the bulb become white, hot and starts glow. Right? That we have learned tungsten bulb is not power efficient. It can be replaced by fluorescent tube light. Right? Fuse. It is a safety device that is used in household circuit जो किसको protect करता है? Appliances को from excessive flow of electric current. A fuse is a small piece of wire that allow of adequately low melting point. Right? Maximum limit जो है current की वो can safely pass through a circuit. If the current exceeds the limit, then the fuse gets hot and it melts. It's an activity. Let's study about the excessive flow of current. Excessive current can flow in household circuit in 2 cases: short circuit and overloading. There are cables and wires in electric circuit. The wires are of 3 types: live wire, neutral wire and earth wire. Live और neutral wire, they not come in contact with each other because इनका जो resistant है वो 0 होता है and very large amount of current will flow through the circuit. जिससे क्या होता है? आपकी appliances को damage होता है and it is called short circuiting. Overloading, we have multiple of sockets for connecting appliances. We connect multiple appliances to a single socket. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Overheating कहते हैं. Overloading भी हो जाती है बहुत बार. Right? Magnetic effect. Have you ever used a magnetic compass? The needle and a tiny magnet. In 1820, Daniel physicist Hans Kirsten or Orested were performing some experiment. And when electric current is passed through a wire, the current carrying wire behaves like a magnet. और एक क्या produce करता है? Magnetic field around this. इसको हम magnetic effect of current कहते हैं. Here the methods is also given, observation is given. You will observe in an activity. इस activity में आप observe करोगे that switch is on position and the current is flowing. और जो paper pin जो attached है nail पे, they will switched off position, that pins will fall off. वो नीचे गिर जाएंगे. Electromagnet, when you insert a soft iron rod inside the solenoid made in the above activity, you find that deflection of compass needle is even more than that of coil. This is because when you place a soft iron rod inside, it turns magnet. The combination of coil and some iron rod creates a stronger magnet, and this magnetism disappear when you switch off electric current. ठीक है, और इसको क्या बोला जाता है? Electromagnet. So magnetism of electromagnet lasts only till current passes through its coil. Now strength. What are its strength? First is increasing current passing through coil. और इन नंबर ऑफ जो टर्न्स है कॉइल में उसको भी क्या करता है? इंक्रीज करता है. नेक्स्ट इज यूजेस. इलेक्ट्रिक बेल्स में हम यूज करते हैं, क्रेन्स में भी यूज इट, इन लाउड स्पीकर, इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर्स और बाय डॉक्टर्स. जैसे अगर कोई आयरन स्प्लिंटर का यूज करना है फॉर द आइज. नाउ हियर हाउ टू मेक अ इलेक्ट्रिक मैग्नेट. यू कैन यूज इट एट योर होम and you can make them. Next is your electric bell. It works on the magnetic effect. ये जो magnetic effect होता है current को उस पे work करता है, and you can understood it by the different construction. Now I will tell you about an electric bell has U-shaped electromagnet which is magnetized. जब आप push button को press करोगे तो वो magnetize हो जाएगी, right? And a soft iron wire held in front of the poles they called armature hammer a metallic sphere. It is attached एंड जैसे आप स्ट्राइक करोगे उसको, अ साउंड विल बी प्रोड्यूस एंड अ गॉन्ग. एक बिगर स्पेयर होता है जिसको आप हिट करते हो हैमर से. देन वी हैव कॉन्टेक्ट स्क्रू. व्हाट इट्स डू? इट्स मेक एंड ब्रेक स्क्रू. इससे हम कॉन्टेक्ट बनाते हैं. वी पुश इट एंड वी आर्मेचर इट. नाउ वर्किंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक बेल. व्हेन द बटन इज प्रेस, स्विच बटन गेट्स ऑन पोजिशन, मेकिंग द सर्किट कंप्लीट एंड करंट स्टार्ट्स फ्लोइंग. जो सॉफ्ट आयरन के जो रॉड्स होते हैं, when the wire is wrapped around them, they start behaving like electromagnets. They attract armature towards themselves, and as a result, therefore develops a gap. Due to this soft iron, the coil round it stops behaving. ये क्या करेगी? ये as a magnet ही behave करना बंद कर देगी. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. Thanks you.